4 exponential and logarithmic equations, day 1. In this lesson, you will be able to use like bases to solve exponential equations. In example 1, we're going to solve each exponential equation by expressing each side as a power of the same base. Let's look at example 1a. So what you're trying to do is make each side a power of the same base. So what that means is, see how we have a 2 on this side? Usually the base is a prime number sometimes, which means on the other side we need this base to also be 2. So you figure out 2 to the what power is 16, which is 4. Then once you have the same base, you're going to equate the exponents. So you'll have 3x minus 8 equals 4. And that's what you're going to use to help you solve for x. So this is just algebra. Add the 8 over. Divide by 3, so x equals 4. And then in example B, sometimes you have to make both bases the same. So I know that 3 can go into 20, or 27 and 9 are both powers of 3. So 27 is 3 to the third. And what you're going to do is the exponent that was already there, you'll just multiply it by that power. And then 9 is 3 to the second. Same thing, you're going to take that 2 and multiply by your exponent. And then you're going to equate the exponents. And then this is just algebra solving for x. Make sure you distribute. And you'll get 3x plus 9 is equal to 2x minus 2. So I subtract 2x, subtract 9, x equals negative 11. You can always check your answers by plugging the x value into the original equation. Example 1 is continued with C. Here's another problem where you're going to have to change both bases. I know 9 is a power of 3, so I'm going to make that 3 to the second power and leave in my x. Now, on the right side, remember this is 3 to the 1/3. There's a 1 there. That's understood. But since it's on the bottom, if I want to rewrite it so it's not a fraction anymore, it's going to be 3 to the negative 1/3. And then you equate your exponents. So 2x is equal to negative 1/3. And then you would divide by 2. And you're going to do keep, change, flip. So x will equal negative 1/6. And then on the other side, for D, my left side looks good. So I don't have to worry about this base because there's nothing I can do. And remember, if it's in the denominator, to rewrite it so it's not a fraction anymore, that means your exponent is negative 2x. Then you equate your exponents. and you solve for x. So I'm going to add the 2x over and subtract the 4. So x is equal to -4/3.